Hi, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Chef K Academy and I'll be taking you on header and footer inside of Microsoft Office Word. So first of all, let's understand header and footer. What does that mean by header and footer in Microsoft Word documents? So when you hear the word header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin. So any information that appear on this top margin, those information they are called the headers. While the footer is a section of the document that appears in the bottom of the document. That is, any information that appears under this text, they are called footer. Are you with me? So header and footer generally contain additional information such as page number, date, and author's name, footnotes, and so on, which can help keep longer documents organized and make them easier to read. So any text you enter in the header or footer will appear on each page of the document. That is, if you should input any information here on this header, this is if I should duplicate, you see my header menu will appear. So on this header, any information that I put here, it will reflect on every headers on my page. If I have 1000 page, the name or the information I input, it will appear on that head. Same thing to footer. If I should type anything inside here, so anything I type inside this footer, it will appear on every page of my document. So now let's jump out to create a header or footer. So first of all, we have two methods of inserting header or footer. So the number one method for the pro, you come to the top here. Do you see where my cursor is? Not this one blinking, but this one that I'm moving with my mouse. Do you see top margin here? You double click on it, automatically you have this space giving you that cursor blinking, telling you should type word. And also on your ribbon, you will see the header and footer tools, where we have header and footer that can help us to set our header the way you want it. Maybe I want date, I want information about that author, quick parts, pictures, then I can easily go to my footer from this page. We have navigation. Maybe I'm on header now, so I have to go to my footer so that I can input information. I can just click here, go to footer. It will take me down here so that I can be able to type. Then here I can click on go to header. It will quickly go there for me. And I have here, if I should type any information here, maybe I want to go back to the previous or to the next, I can easily do that from this previous and next. And here we have different first page. So this says give the first page a different header and footer. That is, maybe I want to specify this first page. No, this page 1, I'm on page 1. So the information I want to put on this header, I want it to different from every other information that I will have on the other page below the first in the first document. Are we together? Thanks. And here we have different odd and evens. So which means if I should put any information on this header, we say the header, any information I put there, it will appear on every page that I have on my document. So now if I should set it to different odd and even page, which means if I should input anything here, then it will jump the page 2 and go to what? Page 3. The information are going to appear on page 3. If I scroll down to page 4, I will not find that information here. I'll find it on page 5. So that's what this is talking about. Different odd and even number. Are you with me? And here where we have position, which means the size that I'm having here. What is the size? Maybe I need more space. I want to type more information on this heading. And note, anything that you type on this heading, it will not affect your document that you have typed already. So any extra information that any information that you input here, it will not affect your type document. But anything you put here, it will surely appear on every page that you have on that particular document. If you have 1000 page, all the information that you input, it will appear on those pages. Are you with me? And here we have, after you have typed what you want to type, then you can click on close. So this takes you back to your normal document. Then you can format your document, increase the size, bold it and all of that. So that is the first step on how to get to header and footer. Why the manual steps that you're supposed to follow is to click on insert menus. On your insert menu, you navigate through header and footer. You see we have header and footer. So if you click on header, it will still open your footer, and if you click on footer, it will still open your header. So both work the same way. So you can just click on this header, and here it will ask me, where am I going to begin my header, or where am I going to begin my typing of my header? Okay, I'm starting from the left hand side, or I want to type 3 words, or I need 3 words, like 3 columns. I want to type at the left, I want to type at the middle, and I want to type at the right. And here we have Austin, so you can decide what you want to use. And here we have facet hot page, you see, and facet info page. So from here I can just click on the first one here, which is blank. So once I click it, we have this here. So here I can input the information that I want to put. Maybe I want to give a warning. I want to say do not copy, and just type do not copy. So watch, if I scroll down, this information appear on every page that I have on my document. Do you see? This is what I'm saying. I'm on page 5 now. I'm page 4, sorry. Every page that I have, it will appear there. Every page that I have, it appeared there. So that is the header and footer. So it means I'm passing this information to every page that I have on my document. And here I can maybe how to input today's date instead of me typing it, and I just press my enter and come here, click on date. So it will tell me how do I want to use the date. So I can use date like this, or I want the name of the day and the month should appear. So it depends on how I want it. So if I want it like this, I'll just click on this, then I'll click OK. Automatically it appears. If I need the time, I can click on my date and time again, then come down here. You can see my time here is 1:20 AM. So I'll click on it and I click on OK. Or I want the date and the time to be on one line, I can also do that. Or if I just need only the month and the year, you see that. So Microsoft Word is very powerful. So click OK, you have your date here. You see that. So now, I showed the other time whereby you can choose maybe you want to type at the left or at the middle or at the right. And so if you pick the black one, that take you to the left, and here you can start to the right or to the left. Don't worry about that, method got you. So what you need to do is to click on insert alignment tab. So here you already typed at the left hand side, so you need to input information at the middle. So all you need to do is to click on what? Center. Then you click OK, your cursor will automatically come to the center of the page. So if you are starting from the top, because my cursor is blinking here, so that's why it took me down here. So I need to put my cursor here, then I'll click on insert tab again, then click OK. It will bring me here, so I can type Chef K. Yeah, super. Do you see? So I can come down again and type whatever information I want to put, and I can also click here and go back to alignment, then I'll click on right alignment, then I'll click OK. So I can put love you all. Wow. So now I'm done importing my header and footer. So how do I get away from this place? So you see where we have close header and footer. So immediately I click on this, you see it gave me the gray color, so which telling me that this is just a gray color. And if as you scroll down my pages, you can see that information appear on every page that I have on my Word. Do you see that? So that is that on only header. So now I want to go to the footer. I want to import information on the footer. So same thing, I can double click at the bottom here. It will take me to my header and footer, or I go to my insert. Then I click on footer, then I click a blank document. So automatically it show me the blank page where I can import my information. Away together, can you see the usefulness and the powerful of Microsoft Office Word? So let's begin to add information to my footer. So let me think of what can I put on my footer, or let me say I want to put my address and my contact and some of my details, some stuff like that. I want to put it on my footer. I want to appear on that footer, so I want people to know where this document is coming from. So I'll just go here and type to do this. So let me say I am a Nigeria. You see that? So I'll say okay, Nigeria. My contact. I can just put my contact here. You see that? So let me just shut it 5646 like that. Do you see? So after I import this, so the same method that apply to this, maybe I want to put this name there, I want to put this, I can easily go to my alignment and do so. Do you get that? And also if I need to import a picture to it, I can easily click here. I have online pictures and I have from my device. So if I already have a picture on my device, so I can click here. So it will take me to my device where I have pictures. Or let me check if I have some pictures here. Okay, I can use that. Let me see this. Okay, let me use this. This is a picture. So click on insert. Do you see the pictures have take a lot of place on my footer? That's take a lot of space on my footer. You see that? So I can easily adjust this picture and make it small. So you can input your passport. You want to put your passport inside your footer. So, and don't forget, immediately you import your picture, you can see, if you check your ribbon, you see the picture format. So telling you that you can also format this picture the way you want it to look like. And now my picture is disturbing my text. So what I need to do is to click on my wrap text, then put it in square. Do you see that? then drag it down a little, and I'll make sure I'll resize it, make sure it's small, and it take the size there. You see we have something like this. I can place it here, so I want them to be aligned. Place your cursor here and click enter. You see, then I will adjust this like this. You see that? So now I'm done with my head and footer. I'll click here again. So what else can I do? Oh, okay, I'll just click close. You see that? So if I check all my headers and footer, those information appears on every page that I have. If I have 1 million page, it will appear on it. You see that? So that is the usefulness of head and footer. So it saves your time by repeating one information on every top or bottom of a page. So this is that is how we use our head and footer. Oh, someone just asked me a question now. How do I remove my head and footer? If I don't need all of this again, I don't need them anymore, I want to remove it. So how do I do that? So that is a fantastic question. Thank you for that. It's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do, click on your start or your insert menu and navigate through your head and footer. You see, click on your head and footer, then you look down through your head and footer, you see remove header. Automatically it gets rid of it. Same thing to your footer. Click on footer and say remove footer. Automatically it gets rid of it. Very simple as ABC. And again, I have them, so I want to modify it. Maybe I want to change some information there. Don't worry about that. Just click on your insert and click on your header. So just click on your header, then you come down here, you click on edit header. So it takes it by here, so you can remove whatever you want to remove. So I like it, remove this, I don't want it. Maybe I want the time to be the side of the date, and just adjust that like this. So once I'm done, I'll click on close header footer. Simple as ABC. Bye. So in our next class, we're talking about the page number, where we use the page number and when to use the page number, and how to set the page number to some pages, and how to set a Roman figure, a whole number, stuff like that. So we'll be doing that on our next class. Stay tuned. Thank you. God bless you and God bless me. Subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much. Appreciate.